Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you that estate sale house that I showed you in a previous video. I did call it enormous, and when I was looking at it, it was inside my vehicle. So it is very spacious, but I called it enormous because that's the way it looked to me. But now that I'm really looking at it, I think that's not the right word, because an enormous house would be really enormous. It would have a whole bunch of rooms. This one actually has 4 rooms, but it's huge inside. So the best description for it is spacious, very spacious. So right now it's not at the cleaned stage. Right now it's at the dirty stage. So I have the vacuum cleaner and some supplies because I'm going to start cleaning it, but not in the video. I'll do that off video. But I just wanted to show you right now what it looks like inside, how dirty it is, and it's gonna look great. Once I finish cleaning it, I'll show it to you again, and then I'll start the work on it, through the months. Like, because in July I'm off, but every time I get a chance, I'll do a little bit here and a little bit there. But for now, let's look at it. So the structure is in good condition. It's a plastic, or I'm not sure what you call that. Yeah, it's wood. It's like a light wood. You can't really wet it too much, so I have to be very easy with the cleaning supplies. So this was the tag that it had. It says vintage early 1960s dollhouse and base $100, right? But I got it for $10, and I'll tell you the story in a minute. So the base that they're talking about is this part here. So this is like the outside. I might not use that because I don't have the space. I might have space just for the house alone, but I might not be using this as the land of the house. But it has a beautiful face. It's missing a window there, but that's nothing. I can fix that. Beautiful door. Opens nicely. I like the colors, the gray, and I think it's either black or dark blue. So the face of it, I won't do anything to it. I'm not gonna, maybe if I do paint it, it's going to be only the white. See, like the borders of the door has a little chip there, so I will be painting this part white, or anything that needs to be fixed. It's pretty big inside. I'll show you in a minute. Here are my cleaning supplies. I have to shine those windows, and then I have the vacuum cleaner right here. And this is the house inside. Now, I don't know if you feel that it's not that big. I think it is, because the space down here and up here is pretty big. Because I have other doll houses that, look big in the outside, but when it comes to the rooms, they're kind of tiny. So there is a lot of space here and here. So this would be a master bedroom probably. Well, it looks like there's a divide right there, a division. So that must be 2 rooms right there. But I don't have to use it as 2 rooms. And then down here, I'm assuming that this is the living room, and maybe this was the kitchen or the dining area. If this is not the garage, then it's the kitchen. So it looks like it could be a garage, kitchen, and living room. But I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to be using it as a garage because I don't have a lot of garage pieces. So I'd rather use this space for a nice kitchen and add some lighting and everything to it. The floors, all that I will change. Everything is going to be changed inside, or at least spruced up with different decorative paper, wallpaper. So right now it is dirty and I have to start cleaning it. Then after that, I'll take it inside, and the next video that you see, you will find a clean house. Look at the chimneys. Beautiful. There's gonna be a major change in here. I'll have to, well, it does come with the stairs, so I don't have to make a stairs for it. Oh, and also it came with that little paper that says home sweet home. So the person who had it maybe had grandchildren and their grandchildren did that. I'm not sure. That's cute. So yeah, floorings and everything. It'll look like a totally different house when I show it to you. I mean, once I finish with it. But you'll see another phase of it when it's clean. Okay, so that is the house that I called enormous, and maybe it's not enormous and it's just spacious, but it's beautiful and stunning. Oh, and about the price. So this is what happened. You know, it's tagged $100. When I went into the estate sale, they said 25% off everything. Okay, I was not going to buy it. I didn't have any intention. I didn't bargain it down or anything. I bought the other miniature pieces. I went to my car, went back to the sale, and I asked the man, I asked him, how much will he price it at the very end if no one is buying it at the very end? So he saw my enthusiasm, you know, for the miniatures that I had bought and everything. And out of the blue, he just said, I'll tell you what, take it for 10. You really want it? Take it for 10. And when he said that, I was like, what? Are you serious? Oh my God. I was so happy. $10, and I didn't even bargain it down or anything like that. So I think he, normally, well, I don't know if I should say normally, but I know that many people, when they sell in yard sales, whatever they don't sell, many times they donate it to Goodwill or Salvation Army or somewhere, the place of their choice. So maybe that's what he was gonna do. Maybe he was gonna donate it. Who knows? Maybe I doubt that he would throw it in the garbage, but sometimes these things, people do throw these things in the garbage, but this had a sentimental value to him, so I know that he wasn't gonna throw it out. But maybe he was gonna donate it with stuff that he wouldn't sell. But since he saw my enthusiasm and everything, and I asked him about it, I don't know, I guess he felt like practically giving it to me, because at $10, this is a giveaway. I'm really happy. I really appreciate it. I appreciate that, he did that, because that was big for me, It's just, the only thing is that I didn't plan to buy it, because I had told myself I wasn't going to buy any more dollhouses, because I already have about 10 of them. And this one's going to be a challenge to see where I'm going to place it in my house, because I want it in a spot where it doesn't interfere with anything, and a special spot. So I'm going to really have to think about it. It might take me weeks. For now anyway, the house is gonna be just ready for me to do the wallpaper before it reaches its final destination in my house. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. And thank you for watching.